Now I'm going to read the book of what the ladybird heard. I have this book at school and I really like it. Now let me start the story. Once upon a farm lived a fat red hen, a duck in a pond and a goose in a pen, a woolly sheep, a hairy hog, a handsome horse and a dainty duck, a cat that meowed and a cat that purred, a fine-priced cow and a ladybird. And the cow said moo and the hen said cluck, hiss said the goose and quack said the duck, neigh said the horse, wink said the hog, baa said the sheep and woof said the dog. One cat meowed while the other cat purred, and the ladybird said never a word. But the ladybird saw and the ladybird heard. She saw two men in a big black van with a map and a key and a cunning plan. And she heard them whisper, "This is how we're going to steal a fine prize cow." Open the gate at dead of night, past the horse, and then turn right. Round the duck pond past the hog, be careful not to wake the dog. Left past the sheep, then straight ahead, and in through the door of the prize cow's shed. And the little spotty ladybird, who never before had said a word, told the animals, "This is how two thieves are planning to steal the cow. They'll open the gate at dead of night, past the horse and then turn right. Round the duck pond past the hog, be careful not to wake the dog. Left past the sheep, then straight ahead, and in through the door of the prize cow's shed." And the cow said moo and the hen said cluck, hiss said the goose and quack said the duck, neigh said the horse, wink said the hog, baa said the sheep and woof said the duck. And both cats began to meow. "We can't let them steal the fine prize cow." But the ladybird had a good idea, and she whispered it into each animal ear. At dead of night, two bad men, Hefty Hugh and Lanky Len, opened the gate at the farmer slept, and tiptoed into the farm they crept. Then the goose said neigh with all her might, and then said, "That's the horse, turn right." And the dainty dog began to quack. The duck said you were right on track. Oink said the cat, "There goes her hog, be careful not to wake the dog." Baa, 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 said the fat red hen. "The sheep, we're nearly there," said Len. Then the duck on the pond said moo, moo, moo. "Two more steps to go," said Hugh. And they both stepped into the duck pond. Splosh! And the farmer woke and said, "Golly gosh!" And he called the cops, and they came, Nina! And they threw the thieves in their panda car. Then the cow said moo, and the hen said cluck. Hiss said the goose, and quack said the duck. Neigh said the horse, oink said the hog, baa said the sheep, woof said the dog. And the farmer cheered and both cats purred, but the ladybird said never a word. Now I've finished my story, so bye-bye.